students, in this video we are going to see the relative pronouns. About relative pronouns. What's a relative pronoun? Do you know? A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously, whether they are people, places, things, animals or ideas. So, a relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to a noun mentioned previously, whether they are people, places, things, animals or ideas. That means relative pronouns are used to refer a noun used earlier in the sentence. See, relative pronouns can be used to join two sentences. It can be used to join two sentences. So, there are only few relative pronouns in the English language. The most common are which, what, whose, whoever, whomever, who and whom. But some situations, the words that, when and where can also function as the relative pronoun. Say, yes students, the most common are which, that, whose, whoever, whomever, who and whom. But in some situations, the words like such as what, when and where can also function as the relative pronouns. Dear students, please open your grammar textbook and please come on page number 64. 64. There it is given about the relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to refer or to relate a noun used earlier in the sentence. You have already said that. So please look at the examples. The lady who greeted us is the owner of this shop. The lady who greeted us is the owner of this shop. Here, in this example, the noun is the lady. So to refer this noun, we use the relative pronoun, that is who. Next one, the kettle that I brought yesterday is not working. The kettle that I bought yesterday is not working. Here the noun is the kettle. So to refer this noun or to relate this noun, we use the relative pronoun, that is that. Dear students, which, who, that, whom and whose are some common relative pronouns. Please look at this exercise. First one, the keys that I had left on the table are missing. Why we didn't use who? Since the noun, the keys, is a thing. So we used that. The keys that I had left on the table are missing. Yes, the person whom you need to see is on leave for a week. So here we used whom because it is the noun, that is the person. Next one, the sports person whom I admire the most is Sania Mirza. Next one is the man who I spoke to said Alka was not at home. The hotel in which we stayed was wonderful. The toy which Ishan asked for is sold out. The girl whose sister is writer is standing there. The shirt which Jaya wants to wear today is in the wash. Next one, the incident that I told you about happened a year ago. Please look at this 10th one. The lady whose purse was stolen is sitting over there. Which is the noun used here, the lady. So we use whose, the lady whose purse was stolen is sitting over there. Next one, I left the book that I was reading at the restaurant. Next we can say the confusing pronouns. Confusing pronouns. Sometimes the use of the pronouns I and me can be confusing. Sometimes the use of the pronouns I and me, she and her, he and him, they and them can be confusing. Please look at the first example. Rekha and I went to the fair. Rekha and me went to the fair. Which is the correct one? Rekha and I went to the fair. Among these two sentences, the first sentence is the correct. So, how do we know which sentence is the correct? So that let's divide the sentence into two shorter sentences so that we can understand which sentence is the correct. Please look at the example. Rekha went to the fair. I went to the fair. Rekha went to the fair. Me went to the fair. Which is the correct one? Rekha went to the fair. I went to the fair. When we join these two sentences, we'll get Rekha and I went to the fair. Yes, students, we never use me as the subject. We use I as the subject. The same rule can be used with the she and her, him and he, they and them, us and we. For example, Mummy gave him and me a chocolate. Mummy gave he and me a chocolate. That is wrong. Dear students, we never use me, her, him, them as the subject. We use I, she, he, they as the subject. Fill in the blanks with the suitable pronouns. Please look at the exercise. Granny likes to walk in the park. I often go with her. Her, that is the pronoun of granny. Rima has a toothache. Could you take her to the dentist tomorrow? Here, Rima. It's a subject here. It's the noun here. So, what is the pronoun of that? Her. Rima has a toothache. Could you take her to the dentist tomorrow? Yes. This is Mahesh. He and I are old friends. My twin and I don't look at all alike. See, my cousins from Pondicherry are visiting us or me. The next one, my friends and I look after the stray dogs in the colony. Next one is, Vrinda and I are planning to go for the camping trip. Rohit and I often play badminton together. He and I are very competitive. Next, Anjali and I share this room. She is much teddier than I am. I'm so excited. Mahar invited me to her house for a party. Next, my aunt has invited me for a special outing. She and I are going out for dinner. Dear students, when we go through this example, we can see that she, he, I, that they used as the subject of the sentence, while her, him, them used for the object of the sentence. Dear students, you have to be careful that we can use she, he, they and I as the subject, but her, me and them can use as the object of the sentence. It is used for the object of the sentence. Now we will continue our grammar worksheet from your main course book on page number 70. Question is that circle the correct pronouns in the brackets. First one, Rahul and I love playing football. Which is the subject here, Rahul and I. Next, she and I are going to the theatre tomorrow. Here, she and I are used as the subject of the sentence. We never use her and me as the subject. Next, my mother asked my twin and me to look after our baby brother. Here the subject is my mother. Next, Arjun and I are the best friends. Next, my friends from Mumbai are visiting me. They have gone sightseeing today. Here, me is used as the object of the sentence. Next one, Raman's leg is still in a cast but no longer hurts him. Yes, he and I are cousins. This room is shared by Anjali and me. Then my aunt and I are going to the restaurant. Yes, the CD belongs to me. Yes, Rita invited me to the movie on Saturday. Here, the subject is Rita. Yes, Papa says that we should leave at 8 o'clock. You are asking me a question that I can't answer. Yes, could you accompany him to the dentist tomorrow? Next one is, these photographs are of my friends and me. Vijayalakshmi says that she is feeling better now. Yes, they were delighted when their grandfather arrived. They greeted him warmly. Yes, my brother and I share a room. Next question is, complete the passage using pronouns from the boxes. You may have to use some of the pronouns more than once. See, please look at the box. There we can see the pronouns she, themselves, it, they. The summer vacation is Priya's favorite time of year. Here we are talking about Priya. So what is the pronoun of that? She. She looks forward to it. It means the summer vacation all year long. She loves the long lazy days when she can read and play all day. Priya's best friend is Aarti. They are classmates and neighbors too. Here Priya and Aarti, the pronoun of that they. They meet almost every day during the holidays. The girls love to buy books. They exchange books between themselves regularly. Next, my sister and I are very close. She is 2 years younger than me. Here, she is the pronoun of my sister. We have similar taste and interest. Here, we is used for my sister and I. The pronoun of that. Both of us love to cook. Recently, we prepared a meal for the whole family. Everyone said it was as good as the food in any fancy restaurant. It is the pronoun of that meal. Mummy says both of us will grow up to become excellent chefs. Next one. Rana has 4 kittens. He brushes them. He means the pronoun of the Rana. Feeds them and plays with them for hours. Here them is the pronoun of kittens. It is used for kittens. It is fun to watch the kittens. Sometimes they chase each other going round and round in circle. Here they is used for kittens. This is the pronoun of kittens. Each time they try to lick themselves. Themselves is the reflexive pronoun. Do you remember about that? Reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronouns. Yes. They end up toppling over. The kittens are too young to look after themselves. Rana takes care of them beautifully. Then fill in the blanks with the pronouns from the box. You may need to use some of the words more than once. Who, whom, what, which, whose. These are the relative pronouns. Do you remember that? Which are the relative pronouns? Who, whom, what, which, whose, that, etc. First one. Whose car is that? Who will help me carry these books? Which is your favorite flavor of ice cream? What were you talking about, Ismail? To whom did you give my message? What is the name of your doctor? Which of the students have been chosen to participate in the art competition? Who Who told you that Deepak is not coming today? Whose camera is this? Who would like to volunteer for this project? All these are relative pronouns. Next one. What is in this package? The person to whom I was speaking is my cousin. Next exercise. Write question for the given answer using question words from the box. Use each question word only once. Some question words are given in the box. Please look at there. Which, who, whose, what, whom. First one. Whom did you meet at the party? Next one. Who told you about the article in the newspaper? Next one. Which is your favorite dress? Then, whose bike is this? What did you buy at the market? Dear students, I hope you all have understood this exercise. Have a nice day. Thank you.